Add slices of sweet potato as a great side dish to spice up any meal. I'm starting off with 6 medium-sized potatoes, and I'm going to wash each one. And before I start slicing these up, I'm going to go ahead and preheat my oven to 400 degrees. And then we're going to slice these up about 1 inch to 1.5 inches thick. Of course, cut the ends off. And I'm going to go ahead and prep up my very worn baking stone. I'm going to spritz this with oil. I'm using grapeseed oil here in my little spritzer. And then lay out all of your slices on the pan, and then you're going to spritz them with oil again on the top. And then I'm going to coat them with sea salt. Sprinkle sea salt, but I use quite a bit. I like my salt. Make sure you're using sea salt. Then coat these with cinnamon. You can add a little bit of cayenne for some heat if you want to, or you can add any of these spices. Nutmeg, cloves, ginger, any of these would be great, and you'll see why at the very end. So these are ready for the cayenne or whatever spice you're adding to them right here. Just a touch of cayenne if that's what you're doing, because a little bit goes a long way. So we're going to go ahead and soften up a little bit of butter. I'm going to cut about 3 tablespoons from this stick and set it aside. Now these are hot coming out of the oven, and as you can see, you can cut away the peel, and those will just gently peel right off. They're too hot to handle right now, so I'm just going to let these set. Go ahead and put the butter on these and let that butter start just penetrating down into that potato. Now, if you took note that we are using 3 tablespoons and we have 6 potatoes. So spread over all of these. That's going to be about 1/2 tablespoon per potato. So if you're only doing 2 or 3 slices, 3 slices is about 1/2 potato. So that's about 1/2 tablespoon of butter. I always use real organic grass-fed butter. Very important here. And I could just pick up that stick and just kind of slide that stick over top of these hot potatoes and it would just melt. That would probably be quicker. However, I'm just kind of having fun playing with these and just putting a little bit on each one. But oh my goodness, this is going to make it so good. And as these set, you're going to see they just taste better and better and better. So even room temperature, they're delicious. And even refrigerated, I'm going to show you how you can take these out as leftovers and just grab you a bite of sweet potato pie. It is to die for. So this is just the perfect little side dish to spice up any meal that you have prepared. I especially love these with some greens and these black-eyed peas. So this is what we had for New Year's Day, and collard greens, black-eyed peas, and sweet potatoes, and they were so delicious. So this just keeps me from eating a whole potato with maybe a big old gob of butter and cinnamon and all of the things, because it's just so yummy. And this just kind of helps me to control portion size. And it'll help your family to do the same. But I love to make enough to put these in the refrigerator because they're so great to pull out later for a bite. All right, so just put a little bit of butter, just let these kind of set, and you're ready to serve. Yeah, I just can't resist. Pull off a few of those. I'm just ready to eat one. Oh my goodness, they smell so good. But they're too hot. Too hot right now, so we'll wait. All right, it's time to serve them up. You see with my collard greens and black-eyed peas, they're just the perfect addition. And I serve them right with the peel on, and they can take the peel off themselves. And then later on, pull them out of the fridge, even cold, And that peeling just comes right off. You can just break it easily with your fingers and then just peel it off. Take you a little bite. It's like slicing you off a little bite of sweet potato pie. It is so, so good. Yummy. All right, make you some sweet potatoes, y'all. They're good for you and so delicious. Thanks for watching, and I hope you'll subscribe. Please like, and please check out some of my other videos. I think you'll enjoy them. Have a great day.